Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, you will learn how we can create the multidimensional array. So, what is a multidimensional array? Multidimensional array is an array of arrays. Array inside an array. When we have to display the values is the form of rows and column, right? In a tabular form, simply say we can use the multidimensional array. Right. Now, I'm just going to show you practically how you can create the multidimensional array. For this, I'm just going to print the detail where you will write down in the form of matrix. So now just we can write down the um, marks, right? And you can write down the info, whatever is equal to array. So array, and we will create here the array inside. So here, inside the array, we can create the another array. And here we can say the roll number 1. Then we name here English, right? Here we can write down the here the is, and we can arrow. We can write down also here the location here. We just add number of like this way. We can also write down the and change the two here. Rohit is right. So this way we see going. Now this way we can create the array inside and arrays inside. Now how can we display these values? We can use here the similar way. Go recat and print underscore r dollar info and just display and now just check. Yes, now you can see the array inside an array, right? Or if you have to display the value, if you have to display the value of the first element of an array, that is the just I just want to display the nearest. Okay. How can we display? How can we display? You see here the going to display mother page. Right. You can write down here the if you have to display the array index, that is the echo array, that is dollar info, and the 0 first element is this 0 0. This one is the you can see here the index 0, 0 for 1, 0, 1 for meters, right? 0, 1. So now you can write down the 0 and this way 1 to display the value of the this element, right? And you can see here the value output is, if I again just want to display the value of this row and row, here I just want this value like Rohit. How can we display? That is the 1 and 1. Matrix, simply follow this matrix. Echo dollar info, and how we can 1 and 1. Here you can just this way we can 1 and 1. Right. Now we can put here the BR tag. And just this way you can display any elements of an array by using this method. Now, how we can use the, if I just want to display, how we can display using this, the for loop. Let's see, for, so I'm just going to write down the dollar rows start with a 0. Then dollar rows is less than 0, 1, 1, 2, and dollar rows plus plus. See the outer loop. Inside, we also need the inner loop for the columns. What will be the output when we echo dollar rows? What we get here? You will create here the 0, 1, 2. Right, 0, 1, 2 here. And this is the outer loop. We need here the for loop dollar calls is equal to, also start with a 0, dollar calls less than equal to 4, and dollar calls plus plus. Now we have to display all these values, calls and routes. So now we can write down the first we have to display the rows, outer loop, rows 0, 1, 2, we get in the rows, and then we need to display this one, 0, 1, 2, 3. Right. Here we will write down echo dollar, first dollar rows, variable is here, variable is here, dollar info. Then inside info, we need the dollar rows first to display 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. And again, we need this dollar calls inside the square bracket here. We put, and this way we will get 0, 0, 0 first, right? And this way we can, first element once we can down. And we write down here the your tag, you can also display this undefined variable dollar false one. So what if we have false, that is the 0, 1, 2, 3, number of 0, 1, 2, 3. So less than 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 is there. Value we get here, the undefined index here, that is the सही सही बताया। Okay. So now here you can just find out the array undefined variable dollar call in line number 10. You can just call that, you can write down the variable is false. You can use that is why it is. So dollar false is less than variable name is yes. You can use this variable. Yes. So now one we you get the all these value, it is better. You can just inside after this, we can put this BR tag will be so that you can get all these rows together. So now this one first, second, third rows. While how you have created, you can see all these values in this form only 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. So this way you can create a multidimensional array using the array inside an array by using the for loop. This for loop is used for display the outer for the row, and inside the here you can see this for the columns. I hope it is clear the points which I explained in this video, and all of you have a complete video of the array. So hope this will be fruitful. This will be easier to understand the concept of the array And next video, we'll discuss the functions of arrays. Now, thanks for watching the video. Bye for now. See you